Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Lewis Harling Investor and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be going through the best mining stocks to buy in 2022. Let's get straight into it. So the first company on my list is BHP Group plc. So this company is listed in the UK and Australia, and it is the biggest mining company in the world. And currently, its share price is, at time of recording, it's around £24 per share. And for a 10% return using a DCF valuation, it's showing about £21 per share. So it doesn't have to fall by much to be in the range I'd be interested in. Some interesting facts about this company. So the PE ratio is currently 15, and the dividend yield is 9%. So yeah, decent figures valuation wise and dividend yield wise. If you can buy a company which is undervalued and get a 9% dividend, you're going to be absolutely laughing. So BHP is looking like an interesting one to start with. Stock number 2 is Polymetal. So Polymetal International plc is an Anglo-Russian precious metals mining company. So it does a lot of its mining in Russia itself. So yeah, I've done a deep dive on this stock, and based on the valuation, it's looking quite attractive. So from the DCF valuation for a 10% return, we're looking at a share price of around £15 per share. And from the current share price of about £12 per share, it's looking like a little bit of uplift as well as a decent 8% dividend. Yeah, the PE ratio is 7 as well, so that is very, very low, especially compared to the market average. So Polymetal could be an interesting pick. It gives you exposure to precious metals as well, because that's what they predominantly mine. So yeah, if you think gold, platinum, all of that lot's going to go up, then Polymetal might be an interesting stock for you to own. The final stock on my list for today is Rio Tinto plc. So yeah, this company is the second biggest mining company in the world, and based on the valuation metrics, it's currently looking quite attractive. For a 10% return using the DCF valuation, we're currently showing a share price of £65 per share, and at the current share price of around £54 per share, it's looking like you could get a bit of capital uplift if it returns to its presumed fair value. A few facts about this company: most of its mines are in China, but it's headquartered in London and it's listed in Australia as well. And yeah, valuation metrics wise, it's got a PE ratio of 6, which is absolutely incredible, very, very low. And it's currently got a dividend yield of 9%. So yeah, very attractive dividend alongside a low valuation is a recipe for success. Now it's time to have a look at the genuine impact stats for all three of these companies compared to each other. So yeah, we will start with the quality metric, and it's currently showing that BHP Group is currently the best out of the three for quality wise. This compares the income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement to all sorts of different companies. I think it's like a universe of 7,000 businesses, and it compares them and ranks them all, and BHP is ranking very high. Yeah, when a company has a shield around its metric, it means that it's one of the highest in the world. So that's an interesting point. It's cool to see that Rio Tinto is very close as well, not very far off, the ranking wise. Polymetal is lacking a bit of quality though, so that's interesting compared between themselves. Value wise, it's looking like Rio Tinto is the cheapest, based on the income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement. Once again, valuation metrics, it's looking the cheapest. Then Polymetal is number 2, then BHP is a little bit more expensive. But yeah, I think the DCFs did show that as well. BHP wasn't quite at its price, but the other two were very much undervalued. I don't really look at momentum so much because I'm a value investor, but it's interesting if that's something you are into. But yeah, some cool stats here from Genuine Impact, and it is very useful to compare stocks on genuine impact between themselves in the same sector, because you want to know what other companies are like compared to each other based on different metrics. So there you have it. They were some of the best mining stocks to buy in 2022. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Did I miss any? Did I miss Vale, the Brazilian mining giant? Maybe it could be added onto the list in the next couple of months. But yeah, let's go through them again. So BHP Group, Polymetal International and Rio Tinto, they were the mining stocks I just went through. So let me know in the comments what you thought on my picks. But if you enjoyed today's video, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.
Thank you for watching. As always, it would be amazing if you could like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. However, you can check out some of these videos.